Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters where you never water, you never feed your plants, you only supplement the soil. And they grow food like you've never seen before. This Lilac Bush has been in this Torpedopot for about 5 to 7 years now. They're growing on its own. And every year it comes back faithfully. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I wanted to show you how big this is. Okay? It's a huge bush. It's very, very huge. Extremely huge. But the thing I want to focus on is that the reason why it's so pretty and it grows every year is because I control the plant's environment. Torpedopot is a self-growing planting system that allows you to control the plant's environment. So literally, you can grow anything that you want. This planter is hooked up with about 50 or 60 different planters. And they grow everything from trees to lilac to tomatoes to onions to lettuce. You name it, Torpedopot grows it all. But I love my lilac bush. It is so fragrant. When the wind blows, everyone downstream of that wind, upstream, depending on where it's coming from, gets a whiff of this stuff, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. But yeah, guys, these are Torpedopots. This is my lilac, and I love my lilac. Well, the reason why I like it in a Torpedopot is because not one limb has any death on it. All of the limbs are growing and they're alive. I don't have any dead limbs on my lilac bush because it's growing in my Torpedopot. Torpedopot, you never water. You put your bush or your plant in. You never water, you never feed, and you'll get growth like you've never seen before. Tremendous growth. And it does it on its own. You don't have to do anything. I supplement once a week with all of my bushes to make sure that they get nice and healthy. But I can move this lilac anywhere I want, and it doesn't have to stay here. If I'm tired of this lilac sitting here and I want it to be in my front door, I would simply move my Torpedopot to the front door. It's a mobile system that allows you to move and to grow as your food moves and grows. But the outcome is truly unbelievable. 7 years in this one planter. I don't know of anything that do that. I never water this plant. I don't have to feed. I supplement the soil, and it takes care of all my nutritional needs for me. So Torpedopot has this really, really nifty idea. So instead of feeding the plants and worrying about them because there's so many different varieties that require so many different things, why not create a foundation? So Torpedopot has been created to remediate the soil, to create the foundation so that now the plant can configure and develop what it wants to grow and what it wants to bring forth. And that's what this is all about. Allowing the plant to express itself and do what it wants to do instead of me imposing on the plant how it should behave. And that's why it behaves so well, because I created open palette. I put my seeds and my plants in this Torpedopot, and they take off and grow my food for me. And I love it. I really do love it. I don't know how big this thing can get, but it's continuing to grow. And so I have to make sure this is the appropriate place for it. But it certainly is very beautiful. It's a very beautiful plant. All right, I just wanted to show you what's happening with the lilac. You see, I've taken videos of this year after year after year. And again, I want you to see how expansive this is. This is an expansive plant. This is huge. And it's being grown in a Torpedopot, a self-growing planter. All I did was put my plant in that planter. And ever since then, it's been growing on its own with no human intervention. I only wish you were here to smell this, guys. All right, well, listen, I wanted to run this by you so you can see what's going on. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.